I'm Wiehahn Victor, the Chief Executive Officer of the Canning Fruit Producers Association. We're standing at the start of our new season, which is the 2017-2018 season. This far, we have just made an estimate of our crops coming up for the season, and in the case of Bolida apricots, we're expecting a crop of 31,500 tons against the 36,000 tons of last year. In the case of clingstone peaches, we are expecting a crop of 158,000 metric tons against the 170,000 metric tons of last year, which is a 7-8% deduction. And in the case of von Christian pears, we are looking at the estimate of about 96,000 metric tons, which is less than the 100,000 of last year. Now, the main reason for this low crop is mainly the drought in our areas, the Western Cape and the Little Karoo, which is the main producing areas of the peaches and the apricots, and the Ceres area for the pears. So as far as the climate is concerned, we had a very good set. The bloom was good on the trees, and the main reason for the smaller crop is, as I said, the drought, and we have to manage that. As far as the production is concerned, the grading regulations for the coming season is going to be exactly the same. We are looking at our spraying regulations, which is very important for the international market, and I'm proud to say that we've got that in place, and we are urging the farmers to operate accordingly. Between 90 and 95% has been exported to the international markets, so it's very important that we have a look at what is going on in the international markets. At the moment, as far as canning fruit is concerned, there is a steady supply of product in the world market. The Northern Hemisphere has put in their productions, which wasn't in overproduction. I think the main problem with canning fruit at the moment is the demand for our product. There is a lower demand, especially in the European countries. We've got a better demand for our product in the East and the Far East, where and Japan and China is the main buyers from us, and things are looking much better on that side against what is happening in the European countries. As far as the puree are concerned, the puree has been used for jams and juices. We are in a disaster situation. We've got surplus production worldwide, so there's an oversupply, but also we've got a very weak demand at the moment, which I think is due to the world economic situation, which is now very dim at the moment, and that put a lot of pressure on prices in the international market, which diverts back to the factory and also back to the farm, where I'm expecting lower prices on the farm level as well as on the factory level due to these not so good market situation.